Hi, this is my 71 XY Ford Ute, which I just drove 1,000,000 kilometres to go and pick up. It's a fantastic Ute in fantastic condition, except for the prior owners, which seem to have made a terrible mess of it, just hacking things out without replacing them properly or even replacing them at all, which means you lose all the original places for everything. It's cutting out structural bars. There's meant to be a bar from there to there, sadly, and it's gone, but I'll have to figure something out. What is fantastic about this Ute, no rust around the windscreen, rear window I should say. Everything is solid. Amazing, like the Ford XYs just crawl with rust. You normally can put your fist through here. There's a little bit of rust here and here that I'll have to fix, but all around here, all inside the wiper box, which is what I call it. It probably has another name, firewall box, whatever. There's a hole here which I weld the plate in. So this is just a walk around, so don't expect too much. The prior owners to me also sandblasted it without sealing it, so hence all the surface rust everywhere, which is unfortunate, but not a deal breaker, that's for sure. And I stripped it out. I've got most of the bits, or a lot of the bits, to put it back together, but I don't know where I'll go with that. It'll be the inside. I have no rust in the floors, and dash. I have a dash. It's great door there. That's not an original door, although ironically it's the original colour, and I think, well, maybe not. What is it? Can't quite see, but anyway. And yes, and I've been working on it, started on it already. So I've been busy getting another one. I've got an XW Ute coming in. And, so I'll just remove the rust and edge prime it until I'm ready to do the painting. And this is what I've been using with a, don't know what you even call them, I haven't looked it up. I just bought some the other day. They work fantastic because they do not remove any metal, so you can get rid of everything and leave what you want, and which is the metal, of course. So here's an original driver's door, and someone just hacked the skin off for reasons really only known to him or her, whichever may be the case. But, so anyway, so I'll have a new back coming, new wheel arches, inner wheel arches, new tray I should call it, and yeah, so if anybody's got a fuel tank for one of these, back window would be just awesome. I even have the filler tube, but I don't have the fuel tank, although I reckon I could probably sniff around at the wreckers and find something that'll do the job nicely. And maybe a plastic tank or something, see what happens. Anyway, that's about it for the time being, so next time you see it, hopefully that will be sanded back. And ciao.